will discuss that how to find out square root of given numbers using long division method. Now prime factorization method very well understood to you. Now here another method I am going to teach you, that is long division method. So to use long division method, first of all, I want to find out root of 729. So first of all we'll write down into this form, and here we'll write down my given number whose I want to obtain a square. Now what you should do, from, observe children, here you have to be very careful. Here you have to place a bar over a number, bar over a digit with starting from its ones place, or you have to understand like you have to place a bar over a digit over a pair of a number which starts from end. See, like this. So here I place a bar over a digit, over a pair. Place a bar over a pair. Again I am repeating, we are studying squares and square root. So square means what? We want a pair of a number in a square. To obtain root also we want a pair of a number. So here from ones place, units place, whatever you are saying. So from that you have to place a bar over a pair. Now observe. So here I placed. Now observe here only one digit. So no issue. Place a bar on one number. But you are not supposed to do like this is a 729 and you will starting to place a bar over a pair from the beginning. That you cannot do. What is the rule? You have to place a bar over a pair of digits from the ones place. Now see, after placing this bar, what we have to do? Here I want to obtain square root. So here in place of simple multiple table, what you have to do? You have to recall square table. So what is your square table? 1 ones are 1, 2 twos are 4, 3 threes are 9, which is greater than 7. So here 3 threes are 9, I cannot apply. So 2 twos are 4. So subtract 7 minus 4, here I will get 3. Now what you have to do, what changes you have to do in divisor's place. So after performing this step, after subtracting it, what you have to do, you have to double the divisor. So here 2, so 2 plus 2, here I will write 4. So this 4 you will enter with a blank. On its upright you have to place a blank. Now after that, again what we have to do, here what changes will be there? So I have to bring down this pair. So it will be 3 to 9. Now after that what we have to do? Now see, blank is there means in a blank only square table will be there. If I am multiplying it by 2, so here 2 will come. If here I am multiplying by 4, so here 4 will come. Suppose 45 5s are. So 5 5s are 25 power 2. 4 5s are 20 plus 2, 225, which is very less there. Here 9. 9 is a unit place of a big square number. 9 will come as a unit place. So that time you have to recall 3 3s are 9, 7 7s are 49. Observe, 7 7s are 49. So here at its unit place 9 coming. Now here 43 3s are not possible because 45 5s are here. I am getting 225, which is very lesser than 329. So what I should do? I have to try with this 7. So let me try. 47 7s are 7 7s are 49 power 4. 7 4s are 28 plus 2, that is 32. So here I am getting 329. So what I should do? Here I will write 7. So here also I have to write down 7. So it will be 47 7s are 329. Here children you have observed, reminder you are getting 0. It means the given number is a perfect square and its root is 27. So what you should write? Under root of 729, which is equals to 27. One more question here will solve. See. Observe. Second question. 1296. I want to find out its root. So first of all, we'll put into this form 1296. Now what you have to remember? You have to place a bar over the pair of digits from the units place. So that is one pair, you may observe, second pair. So from last only you have to start. From the beginning you cannot. Now after that what we should do? We have to recall square table. So 2 2s are 4, 3 3s are 9, 4 4s are 16, which is very much greater than 12. So what I should write? 3 3s are 9. Now subtract 12 minus 9, 3. Now bring down this pair. So here 396. Now I have to double my divisor. So you will get 3 plus 3, 6. But this 6 you have to enter with a blank. Now, after that again I have to recall a square table. One hint I am giving. Observe its unit place. So, on the unit place, 6 will come if I am multiplying, that of 4 4s are 16. Observe. And 6 6 are 36. So, if it is a square on the unit place, if on the unit place of that square 4 will come, then only 6 possible. Here also if it will be multiplied by 6, then only on its unit place 6 will be possible. So here let me try with this 64, 4s are 4, 4s are 16 power 1, 6 4s are 24 plus 1, 25, 256, which is lesser than 396. So I cannot apply this. So what I should do here? 66 6 are. If here I am writing 6, so I have to multiply by 6. If here I am writing 7, I have to multiply by 7. If I am writing 9, I have to multiply by 9. Like that you have to do. So 66 6 are. 6 6 are 36 power 3. Again 6 6 are 36 plus 3 39. So you may observe here. So 66 6 are 396. While you are subtracting it, you are getting remainder 0. If you are getting remainder 0, it means it is a perfect square number. So its square root is 1296, which is equals to 36. So what you can understand here? So root of 1296 is equals to 36. Again I am repeating steps. What you should do? In a first step, you have to write down pair of numbers from its unit place. Under the bar. After placing bar, what we have to do? We have to recall a square table and the nearest one. Exact or lesser than this number I have to write down. So here 3 3s are 9, like that I will perform a step. After subtracting it, what we have to do? We have to double the divisor with and I will enter my divisor with this blank. After that I have to bring down next pair. Again you have to recall a square table and the nearest number you have to obtain, and if you are getting remainder 0, it means the given number is a perfect square number.